to build a hospital IPTV system in 4 steps. Let's get started! Hey folks! Today we're going to show you how to set up a hospital IPTV system with 40 channels of 8 Mbps HD live TV and support for 150 users, all with one device. No tech jargon, just straightforward steps. Let's jump in! Meet the device. 8100 1U IPTV Server. This model, 8100, is our latest 1U IPTV server, perfect for hospitals, hotels, or communities. Check out these free plug-in slots. In our last video, we talked about the 3U model that handles 2000 users. Click the playlist icon to watch later. Here's a breakdown. 40 HD channels, 8 front decoders, HDMI input, 10 encrypted satellite channels, and 22 free-to-air satellite channels. Modules we're using: an 8 HDMI encoder module, turns HDMI signals to IP streaming. A 4 frequency scrambler module, unlocks those tricky encrypted channels. An 8 FTA DVB-ST2 IP module, grabs free satellite channels. Why IPTV beats traditional CATV? Let's face it, CATV is a relic. You need a CAS system, separate CA servers, scramblers, and every TV box needs an encryption card. Yikes! IPTV dumps all that clutter. And here's a kicker. CATV is just live TV. Boring. IPTV lets you add a custom hospital interface with videos, doctor profiles, even food menus. Plus, unlike the old 7100 series, this 8100 model does everything in one box. No extra front-end receiving equipment needed. Step 1. Wires connection. First up, wiring. Don't stress, we'll take it slow. First, hook up the signal sources. Decoder channels. See these HDMI cables from the decoder? Plug them into the 8 HDMI encoder module. What it does: turns HDMI signals into streaming media for the server. Easy. Satellite channels. For the 32 satellite channels, grab a white coaxial cable. One end goes into the satellite dishes L and B, the other into the splitter. Now take these short black cables, connect to the scrambler card for encrypted channels, then connect to the FTA card for free channels. Pro tip: these modules turn RF signals into IP streams. The CAM works with decryption cards to unlock those encrypted channels. Second, connect the terminals. Plug the server's IP output into a network switch with an Ethernet cable. Then connect the switch to the set-top box, hook the box to the TV and plug in the power. Step 2. IPTV Server Parameter Settings. Now let's fire up the server's brain, typing the IP address to log in. No rocket science here. First, check module status. Go to Module Management. See those green lights? That means the modules are alive and kicking. Second, configure each module. Encoder module. Set resolution, bit rate. We're using 8 Mbps and encoding type. Want to add a hospital logo or scrolling subtitles? Do it here in the OSD interface, like adding stickers to your TV. Multi-channel CI FTA modules. Enter satellite details, frequency, symbol rate, and CI card info. For FTA, it's the same operation. Third, load up the channels. Click Streaming Media, Protocol Conversion, Add. Name your channel, pick the module it's from. Enter the IP address. Choose a protocol, UDP, HTTP, etc., and hit Submit. Click Distribute to send them live. Watch the bit rates update in real time. Save your work and channels are ready. Step 3. Make it your hospital's TV, customize as you need. Enter the IPTV management interface, where we implement customized settings for the hospital's IPTV. On this page, we can see functions including client management, program addition, advertisement management, personalized customization, authorization, and system settings. Let's take a look at them one by one. Client. In the Client module, there are department and client information. Administrators need to first add all departments according to the specific situation of the hospital. Click Add. Enter the department name and submit. Then click Client Information. Here are the users we have already added. To add a new user, click Add. Fill in the user information, including the MAC address and client name, and select the department to which the user belongs. Advertisement. Here you can add rolling subtitles, manage pictures, and add homepage videos. In the rolling subtitles section, you can push examination times and items to specific patients, or push hospital announcements to patients in each room. Click Add, fill in the text content that needs to scroll. Select which departments will receive the information and set the specific start date and specific time points. Click Picture Management. Administrators can add booth pictures, logo, department pictures, etc. Here, click Add, select the picture type. We can use a picture as homepage picture, greetings page background, logo, live player watermark. VOD player watermark, first level page background, secondary page background, boot images, or greetings page picture. Upload pictures. In homepage video, we upload the hospital introduction video here. Administrators can upload the hospital's promotional video so patients can view highlights of the hospital when the TV is turned on. Custom. Here we make more personalized settings, including greetings words, homepage icon, hospital introduction, department categories, department details, and food. Greetings word. Introduce our hospital to patients and family members, soothe the emotions of patients, and inform them of the services we can provide. Enter homepage icon. Upload the corresponding icons for each function on the terminal interface. Enter hospital introduction type. Define introduction categories such as hospital overview, assets and equipment, technical competence, doctor profiles, teaching and research. Enter introduction. We can add more contents here to introduce hospital, doctors, department, equipment, like upload images or video, select introduction categories, and add text descriptions. Enter department categories. We can add each department's name and image. Enter department details. Here we can further add and edit detailed information for each department, like upload images or video and edit text descriptions. After completed department introductions, proceed to food management. We upload pictures and edit text to display here the food that the hospital can currently provide to patients and their families. For customized content, patients are not only provided with entertainment, but also have a better understanding of the hospital's services and medical knowledge, enriching their lives while improving treatment efficiency. Authority. Click Manager Role. Here, we can add administrators. Click Add. Edit the role name and select the permissions the administrator can manage. For example, click Management Program. Assign permissions according to requirements. Navigate to Manager to set a login username and password. This allows remote access for convenient management. Step 4. Run box and watch it work. Last step, let's get the set-top box running. Power it up and go to Settings, Network, connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. First time setup? You might see searching for IP. No biggie. Use the remote's up, down keys to enter the server IP and port. Save, restart, and boom, the hospital APK loads. Pro tip, we can pre-install the app so it launches automatically. No clicks needed.
Lyft claims more than 99% of its rides don't involve a safety incident. This according to its report back in 2021.
But one woman is speaking out.
And I get that. Sorry, racing.
Has suggested that more items may be restricted in the future.
And that's it! You've built a custom IPTV system. Got questions? Hit us up in the comments. Now let's check out that playback. Click that play button with me.